Hey there guys, I am back. Did y'all miss me? Probably not. But today I am back with a very long overdue Lookfantastic box. This is actually the box of July. It's August right now, actually almost September. But when this box came in, I actually wasn't home. So it got delivered to a neighbor because I'm in an apartment, so it's not really hard to deliver on whatever floor. We're all here. But since I wasn't home, I didn't pick it up for a long time. And the neighbor told me, like, look, I opened up the box because nobody, came for this package. He got a little bit suspicious, a little bit worried about that because usually, within a couple of days, you'll come and pick it up, but I wasn't home. So he told me, like, look, I opened it up and everything is in here, but, just so I know that it's opened up. I'm really excited to see what he has done. I'm just going to assume that the paper is ripped apart. Let's see. What does the lid say? Cologne. Whatever. Beauty that is more than skin deep. Okay, so we got the booklet right here. We got the, come on out of there. Oh my goodness. We got the Elle magazine right here, which y'all know I don't read. Oh yeah, okay. I can tell it's been opened. So, he did rip it over here. Okay, that's fine. Let's just open it up completely. And this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's just start with the biggest thing, shall we? Which is this puppy. And this is Molten Brown London Ylang Ylang Body Wash. And something smells very, like citrusy, or it has like this sharp, fruity smell, if you will. I don't know if it's this or something else, but like, yeah, the box definitely smells very sharp and fruity. Wow, what an explanation, but it does. Okay, so this is 100 milliliters. I have to turn it, else you guys won't be able to see that. So this is what that little fella looks like. I got a hair over here, disgusting. Okay, so let's just see if it's opened up already. Oh, yes, it is, okay. No, it's not this. Okay, so the smell that I'm smelling here is not this fella. This smells really fruity, really nice. Oh man, I love it. And I'm actually not going to use it because this is just great for travel purposes. It's 100 milliliters, so you can actually put it in your bag and be safe on the airport. So I'm actually going to keep this for when I travel, or just in general when I'm not going to be home. You kind of need stuff for in the shower. I don't like using other people's stuff. I just like to have my own. I don't mind leaving it there for other people, you know what I mean? But I don't know, when I shower, I just like to use my own things, So I'm really excited about this fella, really like it. Now let's move on to a tube of some sort. This is from Mio or Mayo, Fit Skin for Life. What? Okay, like, I'm not being an idiot. It says over here, boob tube plus. Like, boob, like in boobs. Is this meant to be for your boobies? I'm not really sure. Let's see, multi-action bust cream. Wow, yes, okay, this is actually a boob cream. Okay, moisturize, brighten, protect, high intensity body care. Let me just read this real quick because I'm not really sure if this is meant for like the sun, because it was summer, it was July when I got this box. We don't have any sun anymore here in Holland, it's all gone. But let me just check if it's for that or if this is just a general booby cream. Yeah, I'm gonna check this. Okay, so I checked it and it's not like an SPF kind of a thing. It's actually like a legit booby cream. I am flabbergasted, I guess, but I'm also extremely excited to give this a try. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think. This is so freaking cool. Us, our boobies need love too. Okay, I'm just gonna say that. Moving on to something from Balance Me. This is Pure Skin Face Wash, and it's 99% natural. And if I'm not mistaken, we already received this in a box along the way. Can't really remember what box it was, but we did receive this already, and I think I actually used it like in the last couple of weeks. I think this is like the sharp scent. Is it, did he open this thing or not? Like, I'm talking about my neighbor. No, he didn't. Okay. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, I've already used it. It was okay. It was not the best in the world, but it was definitely not bad either. Just not really sure if you want to splurge a lot of money on this, but still great to have it along. Like I said, if you're traveling, this is like quite a big sample size. This is definitely not full size, just 40 milliliters, but it is a really rich, generous sample size. I think the sample that I have was a really thin, long, like little tube, and it was like 10 milliliters or something. There was not a lot in there. So this is what that fella looks like. Moving on to something small. This is Erno Laszlo. Laszlo? Yeah, Erno Laszlo. Firm and Lift. Firm Marine Lift Essence Lotion. Okay, this clearly is a travel size. Firm skin at your fingertips. Well, we'll see that. Let's get it out of there. Oh, it's actually not watery. It's an actual like lotion. It's like a gel of some sort. Let me just show you guys, and then you guys will hopefully see. No, I don't think you guys are able to see that because of the lights, but maybe if I scooch it like that, you'll see that this is actually more of a blue gel in here than it really is an actual lotion. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to use this, since I thought it was going to be like a toner, you know, like water, like that kind of a lotion, and this is definitely more gel-like. So I don't know if this is like more of a serum lotion, or if this is even before washing your face or after washing your face. I'm gonna have to check the booklet, but I am excited to give this fella a try. We still have two items in here, and then the box is empty. So let's just start with the biggest one in here, which is from Incredible Glazing Over Intense Color Lip Glaze. And oh, okay. Yeah, he definitely did open this up, because you guys are gonna be able to see this, I think. But hopefully you guys are able to see that the ridge here is has clearly been opened. So he did open this up. It doesn't look used. It's kind of, you know, what I'm always worried about when people open up stuff, especially people who have herpes or stuff like that. I'm one of those as well. I'm just gonna be honest. When I was a kid, my dad used to have herpes, because herpes is not, I guess all people think of like, you know, herpes downstairs, but you could have it on your mouth as well. And it's a condition, but it never really leaves. So once you get it, you're always gonna get it every couple of, I don't know how long, sometimes years, sometimes months, sometimes weeks. Kind of also depends on your own immune system. But like I said, I was a kid, I never had that. My dad had it, and he gave me a kiss right there, and unfortunately, ever since then, I got herpes, and it just sucks. But I'm extremely careful with lip products because of that. So let's just give it a swatch, because I'm just going to be honest, I have a 1,000,001 lip products already, and I've so much red that honestly, I really don't need another red. And just to be safe, I think I'm going to pass this along to a friend of mine. I don't think she has herpes. If so, I'm just going to be honest and tell her, like, look, it's been open. I don't know if it's been used or not. It's on your own risk. If you don't want it, I'm just going to throw it out. Okay, I'm just going to be honest. This is what that fella looks like, and it's quite a sheer gloss. Like I said, I have so many lip products already, and a sheer red gloss is not something that I really use, so I'm gonna pass this along. And now we're left with the very teeny tiny little thing, which is the last item in the box, and this is from BBB London Brow Build Gel in Indian Chocolate. That's kind of the name. That is the name. Okay, this is what that teeny tiny fella looks like. And then, oh wow, yeah, it's an actual colored gel. Oh, it's so unfortunate that I don't have like, woo, wow. That is like chocolatey brown. But I'm just gonna be honest, hopefully you guys are able to see that. It's quite chocolate. But clearly, I'm a fake blonde, okay? My real hair color is actually pretty dark brown. And my eyebrows, I do not color or dye or whatever. I just use a brown eye pencil, even though it doesn't match my hair, I know, but blonde eyebrows, I mean, I would look like a no. And actually darker eyebrows on blonde hair, I really do like it. So this is the perfect color for me, I feel, and I'm definitely gonna give this a good use. So guys, that is it for this month's box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and one I'm not gonna use because it's clearly been opened, so I'm not gonna use that. But the rest of these items I am definitely gonna use. Not the best box ever that we received, but definitely not bad either. I really enjoyed this. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think? Are you glad I'm back? Because I'm gonna be back again. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will show you guys, what? I will see you guys in my next video. I need to go and eat something because I'm hungry. Okay, bye.